Anything, Petunia, to everyone in the world? Say thank you to everyone that's watching you and subscribe to your channel. Because it's your channel. It's Petunia's channel. How old are you, Petunia? It's people from Springwood, Rochdale, Shayla Park. Daisy Hill tell me that you've been coming for years. You must be more than 30 years old, Mama. You're still having babies, isn't it? I don't know how old she is, guys, but she's well known here. You're a sweetie, isn't it? Go ahead. Her clothing. Beautiful clothing.